Hi, I'm Pratibha.
Hi, I'm Shashank.
Hi, I'm Alan.
Hi, I'm Vani.
We're here to talk about health.
So, on a scale of like 1 to 10, how would you rate your knowledge of like health in general?
A 5?
4.5?
Well, if you are a health fact checker, if you don't say 9 on 10, then I seriously doubt it.
I think that is the sign of a true health fact checker, is to not say that I know everything. I'm open to learning more. So I'll put myself on a 7.
An apple a day will keep the doctor away.
If you chuck it at him, I guess.
Oh God.
Well, this is an old saying.
I mean, apples are great. I mean, I guess the intent of the saying was to get people to eat fruits. But obviously, it doesn't mean that you should just eat apples every time you need a doctor.
Apples did a lot of crazy things back in the day. Fell on Newton. And
It's a myth.
I think it's a fact.
Yeah, guys, it's a myth.
Sitting for long hours.
Is equivalent to smoking. Okay, I've read about this, I've heard this a lot.
True. Not equivalent, but quite close to smoking, because if you want to know more, you should check out a video we have done. Here, click here, there'll be a link.
I think I'll go with fact. What do you think, Vani?
I'm in shock.
Okay. We won't wait for Vani to get out of her shock. We'll go with fact.
तो बाकी का शूट खड़ा होके कर ले.
Next one.
Everybody needs 8 glasses of water every day.
How big are the glasses?
It's like a minimum of 8.
Okay, yeah, people need water. Don't get dehydrated, especially in summer weather right now.
Yeah. So
It's
we
a
go
fact.
fact.
So I'll say myth. I think
I
it's
actually want to
different.
go fact on this.
No, guys, it's a myth. So, everybody has like a subjective amount of like whatever. And 8 is not a minimum. So, like, it can vary for like different people, different.
Cow urine.
Cures cancer.
Oh my gosh. I've seen that on TV advertisements so long.
Yeah, it's obviously not. It's a myth. I mean, there's no
No. Valid point, which is that everything requires scientific curiosity.
It doesn't cure cancer because of research that has gone into this, or even in fact, I don't think there is enough research to support it. So either we dedicate some time and effort into researching this, or we have to go by saying that it's a myth because we don't have enough evidence to support that cow urine cures cancer.
It's definitely a myth. Cow urine can't cure cancer.
BMI is not an accurate indicator of health. Watch our video again.
It's a fact.
I also agree. I've read a lot about this, and BMI just it's not just because it's how is it calculated by your height and weight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not an accurate indicator. It's a fact. Hair and fingernails continue to grow after death.
I think they do, don't they? Like, maybe your body is kind of getting rid of the existing protein or something.
How they can?
I've just read it, so just go with me.
I don't think they can grow.
Fact?
It grows. Alan, just go with me for once.
Okay, fine. We're going with fact.
Sorry to disappoint you guys, it's a myth.
See?
So, hair and fingernails may appear longer after death, but not because they're still growing. Instead, a person's fingernail and hair may appear longer because the skin around them has retracted.
Using a microwave
Can cause cancer.
Ooh, this is interesting.
Oh my god, this is not true at all.
Wait a minute.
Myth, yeah.
I don't think microwave radiation is
I'm going with you on this, okay?
Yeah, it's a myth. Microwaves are safe.
Yes, guys, microwaves do not cause cancer.
If you swallow chewing gum, it will stay in your stomach for 7 years.
Yes, my mom, did your mom ever tell you? She scared me about this. Like, ऐसे उसको अंदर मत लो, नहीं तो तुम्हारे intestines में वो ऐसा चिपक जाएगा पूरा, and then फिर you.
I feel that's a myth. I'm pretty sure it will go out the next day.
I don't think so. I think it's a fact.
For 7 years in your stomach. I don't think anything will stay in your stomach. for
Okay,
10
then
days.
it's a myth.
It's a myth.
Like in my head, I imagine it this way: like I eat a chewing gum, it goes in my stomach, stays there, and then everything I eat gets stuck in it, and it becomes like a big ball.
It's myth, Maya, it's
Myth,
obviously.
myth, yeah.
You shit everything out. Consuming banana and milk together is not a good idea.
As they are incompatible foods. No, I have banana milkshake like.
Yeah, banana milkshake is one of the most famous milkshakes ever.
मम्मी ने बोला था, मैंने विश्वास शायद किया था, नहीं किया था, I don't know. But I've read it, it's a myth.
So, is there any explanation on
No.
why?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
So again, there is no scientific explanation as to why it's not incompatible. Ayurveda does say that you should not consume banana and milk together, but due to the lack of any research behind it, I'm gonna
flag that as a myth. And if you wanna read more about why that is, you can go on the First Check website and read an article about it.
So we say it's
It's a myth. We don't think it's true at all.
I learned a lot of new things in this.
Same. A lot of the questions were new to us. The topics, the questions.
Yeah. And I'm not gonna whiten my teeth, yeah.
Yeah, same.
Same.
Neither am I.
Yeah.
I learned that I need to believe in myself a bit more.
So if you want to learn more about the claims that you saw in the video, please go check out the First Check website. We have come across a lot of claims, and we have done our level best to find the best information possible for you to debunk the claim or support it. So if you want to learn more, please go to firstcheck.in. And if you or your family or anyone has come across a claim or has given you a claim that you think is doubtful and does not have a valid source, please send it over to us on our email IDs or this WhatsApp number that we have, and we will get back to you and fact check it.